Okay, things are in bloom now. Little walking tour. The mosquitoes don't get me. Okay, this one, VB told me it's not getting flowers because I trimmed it, so I'm not going to cut it down. There's my butterfly bush. There was another one here. There's my hydrangeas, I guess. Yeah. And this was also a, see, it was a butterfly bush too. I don't know what happened to all the flowers. Oh, look, ew. Okay, anyway. So, and I got these, and the butterflies have been chomping on them, see? And what else? Oh no! Oh no, what happened to this? Oh no, the animals ate it. Look! Oh my goodness. There were, what happened here? What happened? Oh dear, maybe I should put it up. I don't know. Huh. Something went, oh sorry. Something went over it. I'm gonna have to come back and make it stand up like that. Wow, that one over there is my weeping willow. Look at that. Oh, got the bugs. Okay. Oh, look, I didn't even know these were here. I never come out here. Never come. Oh my God, look, I got flowers here. I did not know. Yeah. Look at how pretty. Oh man, I didn't even know these were here. Awesome. And I didn't know these were here either. They're coming out. I don't know what they are. And sometimes I could like sit under here. I'm gonna put a chair under there. What else? Oh look, here's my Asian pear tree. And see, I told you, look at, the pears are already coming out. See? There they are. Look at that. Okay, so I got the pears. And now, wait till you see this though. I'm gonna go fast. Okay, watch. I don't know what that tree is. They put it in the ground and it just grows every year. Okay, look, watch. I'm gonna go fast. Under the trees. Oh, Nikki, don't go there. Those are pricker bushes. Come on. Look, the vines are killing that one. Okay, I'm going fast because this is going to be like a long, boring video. Look at it. They're killing that thing. There's a rabbit. All right, there. Okay, wait a minute. Look. I got peaches. And they're not rotting. Look. Wow. Okay, and then look at this. I found out this is a pear tree. Look at all the pears. Whoops, where am I? I got all these pears, but they're way up there. I can't get them. I'll get them somehow. The farm in the back has this long thing I could get them with. So there. And I got apples over there, but they're not too good. But wow, the peaches. I'm gonna have peaches this year. That's pretty cool. So I hope they don't rot before I get them. I'll get some. So anyway, that's my, look at the peaches. Yep, anyway, that's my little tour of my little, oh no, wait. Look, I didn't see these. Huh. See, there's my little spot. Yeah, this is kind of nice. I should come out here more often. But I don't. There's Nikki. See, my garden didn't do too well. I got a couple tomatoes. Get out, Nikki. I got squash. There's squash in there. And look, I got lilies, but they're falling down. And then I have those over there. Those hydrangeas. So I'm good. That's it. That's my walking tour. Okay, Nikki, let's go in.